Hey everyone, I was sent this 4K digital camera. It's made to look like a DSLR. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. All right, so we open the case here. It comes with this nice travel case, nice handle on there. Open it up, pull the camera out of the case. It has the contours there. This here is made to look like a DSLR, but this is not adjustable. It does not have interchangeable lens capability. It is purely a digital camera made to look like a DSLR. It's a 4K, has 4K shooting capabilities. It is video and photo. Very intuitive menu on the back here. So you can use the different buttons to power it on. Power button up here. Go through, welcome. Backwards for you, of course. And then it comes on to be able to see, hey, look at that, picture in picture. So really easy to be able to utilize this here. Telephoto, whoa, that's way too close. And then wide, and you can go through the different settings here to be able to do it. All of the different menu items that it has here are right there, and then also the menu button that is right here to be able to go through and change everything that you want to change. But real easy, and then of course that button to be able to go back and see any of the images that you were previously shooting, or videos as well. But real easy here, but it has buttons that kind of mimic a DSLR. So right here to be able to snap a photo. One of the interesting things here that I found when looking at this is that it does have the reverse camera. So I can push this. And now it's really weird because now it's looking at the recording stuff. It's really just like you're going through the time zone here. So really interesting to be able to have that be part of the setting where you can turn around to be able to see it. The other side is that when you do have it facing forward, is that you can actually look through the viewfinder there to be able to see what the image is. This here, while it looks like a viewfinder, it's actually just the reverse camera for you to be able to see yourself. So just keep that in mind, that this is not a peephole. Your screen is here. Nice 4-inch screen, Wi-Fi capabilities for be able to download the photos onto your personal device or your PC. It comes with the charging cable and a wall plug as well. So that's really nice that it comes with a wall plug. It's a USB to USB-C, so you can use the USB to be able to go from the camera to your computer if you have that, or if you need to get an adapter to go USB-C to USB-C, or so on. A couple things that this comes with too. It does come with a nice formal lens cover, similar to what would come on a DSLR there. Comes with a lens wipe, and then it also comes with a sun flare. So you can put that on there to be able to keep some glare down off of it. And it just screws on there. So really good to be able to have that, to be able to take it and go through and not have to worry about any glare that might be coming while you're doing it. Different menu settings here. Just go through, select what you want from photos to video, and the different speeds and also quality here. So we'll go through and turn that. And as you're turning it, you'd be able to see it here on the menu change with what that setting is that you're changing it to. So go through here and you can see there's 4K 30 frames per second video. Has the little video icon that comes up on the screen there. So makes it real easy to be able to identify what you're actually looking at there. So cool. All right. Menu button, it's very intuitive. If you've used a digital camera, this thing will do great for you. It also works as a webcam. So that's pretty cool. You can actually set it up to be your webcam because it's 4K. You get a really high quality webcam there. It does have a microphone on here as well as a speaker. It's pretty small. So the speaker, while it's going to pump out some sound, it's not going to provide you high fidelity sound, but it will work for you to be able to hear out of that for any video recordings that you take on here if you want to just capture and see what you're hearing. Here on the side has the inputs for a microphone, has the USB-C input, as well as an HDMI, for a mini HDMI there. So you can connect that to your TV or a PC for being able to share any of the content that you're having there. The USB-C for also sharing and connecting that to a PC, and then the 3.5 jack for a microphone input. This does not an input for headphones, so just be aware of that. Another cool feature on this here is it has the hot shoe, so you can actually put an external, there you go, I'll take the little cover off of there. So you can put an external flash on there if you want, or other types of devices, but then it also has a flash built into it. And the flash is nice and strong to be able to utilize for that. I'll go back through and put this back onto camera mode. And then you'll be able to see what the flash looks like. There it is. So the flash is on. And then you just go ahead and push it down when you want to turn it off. You can also control the flash through the flash button here on the back of the camera for the menu. So to zoom in, hit this button. So telephoto, wide, flip the screen around, enter the menu here to be able to view the different images or video that you've taken. Go ahead and hit that for the playback side of things. Wi-Fi, flash, delay, timer to be able to do that. And then if you're in the play menu, then you can also hit the trash can to be able to delete anything. This blue light here stays on when it's powered on, and then while it's charging, this turns red. And then when it's done charging, this will turn off. So good idea to be able to charge your device ahead of time. It says to get a full charge could take up to 5 hours for full charge. Just took this out of the box and connected it to the charger for just a short bit just to be able to get this video review done for you. But if you use it a lot and you deplete the battery all the way, you might need to charge it. Battery compartment's right here. Lift that up. Battery compartment is spring loaded, so it'll open for itself. An SD card here, full-size SD card. It can take up to a 256 gigabyte SD card. It came with this 32 gigabyte SD card, so that's pretty nice that it comes with one. And then the battery here that can come out or just leave it in there. You charge off of the camera to be able to charge that up. So then you plug in here to be able to charge that up. And then to be able to close that back up, just push it down and then slide it in place. It's a pretty small movement. It's not a big one to be able to get that to close up. All right, so all in all, works really good, really easy to use, looks really stylish as well, looks very professional, has a good feel to it too. It holds in your hand really well, not too bulky, and it's not very heavy. It's actually pretty light, just a few pounds. But the quality pictures come out really good. I've really enjoyed being able to use this. I know you will as well.